Hi there, good morning and welcome to the Sports Update here on the Max Morning Show. Let's start off with the Bet Power Premier League on match day 24 and run your proper issue. Asante Kotoko, after losing to Mediema, needed to redeem themselves and they travel down south to face the Legon Cities at the Elwak Sports Stadium. Richard Bwedu, popularly known as Agadas, or known as Nadema Kotoko Kane and Sana Legon Cities ebete in the second half. So 1-1 in a game the year.
There we go. It's Legon Cities who gets us going for this game here at the Elwak Sports Stadium. It's Maida now. Kofi Koji unable to control. Japan is looking for options. He gets it away for the first throw-in of the afternoon. Ampedu's ball in. Here is Kofi Koji. Koji is looking for support. Koji puts 1-2. Yes, Ama. Legon City is coming close. Just over the top. Zeze takes over. Tedeku on the left side. He sees Lamtes run. Back to Tedeku. Sharif Mohammed. He shoots. Brilliant save. Lovely skill from Zeze to find Tedeku. Here is Lamte. Zeze's effort. Good save by Saki. So let's see the incident again. Good work done by Zeze. Brilliant save from the goalkeeper in the first place. So not too sure about where the handball is, but maybe multiple looks will determine. That's the save initially. Bwedu steps forward and Bwedu scores. Kotoko lead Legon City by 1-0. 17 minutes. Legon City's 0. Asante Kotoko 1. O2 for Nasiru. Good save from Asari. Flag is up for offside. D'Souza. Saved by Saki. The Brazilian nearly. Here is D'Souza. He goes past Mensah. Great defending from Ampedu, but that's some intelligent play from the Brazilian. He was relentless here to win the ball off Ama. Then look at the skill to go past Nicolas Mensah. Then he tries to set up Mfege. Ampedu who swings in across. Koji heads it. And Legon Cities have grabbed the equalizer. Alex Asso. The delivery from Ampedu was spot on. Koji got a head on it. And then Asso continued. Legon Cities 1, Kotoko 1. Here comes the Porcupine Warriors. Isaac Opon drives. And Sylvester Saki makes light work of that one. Now, Isaac Opon. It's finished here at the Elwak Sports Stadium.
And then 1-1. Now game now every year and our coaches now Adiomanu Dinsemeto Gazeli of Kotoko felt that they should have won.
We shall win the game. We shall win the game by 3-1, but unfortunately, we were not able to convert that particular goal scoring chances. But still, we are going to work on it. Well, this is what we are lacking. And for the past 2 days, that's what we have been working on, how to finish, looking at the way we play. We're trying to use the wing and then finish it in the 18 yards area. Unfortunately, we're not able to finish the game well. From tomorrow going, that is what we're going to work on. We'll work on the final touches that we need to do in order to always convert our chances like this. Kotoko without a trophy, there's no league. And the boys, they know it in their mind. And once we are going back to the house, we are going to work and then make sure that the rest of the game, we still have 11 matches to go. If you are able to get at least wins out of that particular matches, we are likely to come on top of the league. And that is what we are going to work on. We'll pick the match one by one. The next match is against RTU, and that is what we are playing at home. We cannot afford to lose that match, or we cannot afford to draw again. So we are going back to Kumasi, work hard, and then get the 3 maximum points in order to close up the gap in the league table.
It was a keenly contested game. The match was very, very difficult. for us, especially in the first half. I mean, we went in and re-strategized. And when we came in the second half, we saw that our opponents were, loading their back line. They were playing 5 men in defense. So we kept on pushing and pushing and pushing until we had the equalizer. And after that, it was a ding-dong affair, and 1-1, we have to thank God and move on, because we did everything, tactically to win the game, but we couldn't. We have a very decent chance to score. It fell on the way of Ama, but he decided to, use the toe instead of using the inside of the foot to maybe chip the ball over the goalkeeper. But that's game. It's past and gone, and we can't bring that back. We only have to keep pushing and keep fighting until we climb up the ladder.
Abdul Ghazali is the interim head coach of Asante Kotoko because they've parted ways with their substantive head coach. Say Dizebu Bokine no Kotoko say Omune na wari negu Monday no muden krata betu abonti said they have parted ways mutually, so he's no longer the coach of Asante Kotoko. Now let's look at all the results for match day 24. Yeah, boy, we are going into match day 25, but some interesting results came through there. We started on Wednesday where Bichim United beat Dreams FC by a goal to nil before Brekum. Chelsea also drew 1-1 with Adriana FC. Ken Faisal, Echikarela trying to come in Samani Timu. That game was played at the Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex. Then Samatex also beat Kotoko Royals by 2-1. Tamale City getting a 2-1 victory over Inswaterman. Hartlefolk peeping Accra Lions by a goal to nil. It was scored by Linda Ntamge Kongo Nino. Watching the first goal, Ediama Hartlefolk. Then yesterday, Mediema and it be any goal stars. So mobile 45 minutes per because Wednesday, not one mobile game in Subrani Bito. So the second 45 minutes was played yesterday, and Mediema scored in that 45 minutes. So the one by a goal to nil. Legon City is drawing 1-1 with Asante Kotoko, and Real Tamale United also beating Great Olympics by 3-1. These are the results for match day 24 of the Betpower Premier League. Let's have a look at the table and how things are shaping up. Adriana are leading the pack at the moment with 41 points. Bichim United are second with 40 points. Medium also have 40 points. Hartlefolk almost also fourth with 38 points. Accra Lions are fifth with 38 points. Asante Kotoko, they are sixth with 35 points. They have a game in hand which they will play against Ken Fai. So Bibiani Gold Stars are 7th with 35 points. Brekum Chelsea also 8th with 34 points. Samatex are 9th with 33 points. That is the top half of the table. Let's look at the second half of the table. And Real Tamale United are now 10th with 32 points. Dreams FC find themselves 11th with 30 points. Inswaterman with 30 points and are 12th on the table. Karela United, they are 13th with 29 points. Tamale City are 14th with 28 points. Legon City is with 28 points and are 15th at the moment. Then the last three teams on the Betpower Premier League table are Ken Faisal, who find themselves 16th with 28 points. Great Olympics, hey, Oligbobo, Oli Rosalinda, Oli Mashi, Oyi Levy, say they are 17th with a 28 points. Not just they are staring at relegation. Kotoko Royals are rock bottom of the Betpower Premier League table. They are 18th with just 20 points. So away from that, you move Europe because the Women's Champions League in Enra. So Chelsea, Obekaya, they went all the way to beat Lyon by a goal to Enra. Lyon former ID Chelsea. The game ended 2-2, and actually Chelsea, ended 2-1, but Chelsea had one goal already in the penalties be Echo PMO, and Chelsea won the game. Through to the semi-finals, and they will face Barcelona in that round. Enra. Wolfsburg and so any Paris Saint-Germain, PSG women at the PM. So first leg, Wolfsburg beat them by a goal to nil in France and 1-1 the Koye. So Wolfsburg have progressed and they'll also face Arsenal, ladies. So Wolfsburg are through to the semi-finals of the Women's Champions League and they will take on Arsenal while Chelsea also face Barcelona. So that is the latest. Catch us say international football is done. Attention, focus, and BBR switches back to a club football. That is why this Saturday we are bringing you a game from the English Premier League. Game many day, bro. We are back. It is Thomas Partey in action for Arsenal as they take on Leeds United. Arsenal are looking to extend their run at the top. Omusi League in India. Kianeke se Man City ere ebrugari botokra. Arsenal now the befa. So Thomas Partey will be in action for them as they come up against Leeds United. The game kicks off at 2, but build up here at 1 p.m. So join the amp of Wankra tomorrow here at Max TV. It's a game in there, bro. Arsenal against Leeds United. Then on Sunday, there's Italian Serie A action as well. Makacho say enye EP on Kwani de bro, bro, see reaction. So this Sunday, Monza would be in action against Lazio, and also will be live on Max TV at 1 p.m. in Tishanen. So those are the 2 games here there, bro. And the Arsenal taking on Leeds on Saturday. Then we have Monza against Lazio and on Sunday. Mutala Yakubu, 2 p.m. we have something special here. It is the draw for the quarterfinals of the Women's FA Cup. So live in the studios of Max TV in Tishanen. So 2 p.m. now you're there, bro. Why? Anyone, you get to find out all that. Alex, Edimuberi.